guys, welcome to back my YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope you are all doing great. As you can see, I am on my bed and a little bit earlier I woke up. So I want to show you my morning routine today and what I do in the morning. I want to show you, okay? I have taken my tea today and right now I want to clean the room because as you can see all things have been a mess lately, so I have to arrange everything. As you can see, everything I have to keep in order, so I would like to show you, so keep on watching the video with me. Okay, so let's do. First of all, I will make the bed and clean it up. Okay, so let's go. So guys, as you can see, already I have made the bed and I have cleaned it. So right now I will sweep the floor. After sweeping, then I will wash. Okay, and one thing I have to clean right now, as you can see, this is a tripod and I have to clean the tripod. It is a little dirty. I have to clean. Okay, and I will try to clean all things and then I will sweep the floor and then I will wash the floor. So keep on watching. Now I am cleaning the tripod. So here's already I have cleaned my room. Now I am going to wash my hands. So let's go to the tap. So guys, early in the morning every day I read and watch my mobile for some time. So after reading I will watch, and after reading I try to shoot videos. So let's read for sometimes, and I want to read a few pages. Okay, every day I read because this is my daily routine, because reading is my hobby and every day I read English sentences because I want to correct my pronunciation. That's why I read, and I read English sentences to be skilled in English. So I am reading right now. So guys, this is my daily routine and this works I do in the morning every day, and I hope you like the vlog. So that's all for today's vlog. So if you like the video, so please like, comment and subscribe for more content. So thanks for watching and stay happy and keep learning. Thanks for watching.